Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the video of Gyan Niketan Girls School. And this is the video of Class 1 English Gulmohar Reader Book, Chapter 6. And name of this chapter is Bedtime. Now let us start this chapter. It is bedtime. I lie in bed and think of the fun I can have tomorrow. I can dance around my room. I can sing my favorite song. I can go to the playground with my friends. We can go up and down the slide. Zip, zoom. I can help mother in the kitchen. I may learn how to bake a cake. Teddy bear and I can have a tea party. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them pop. I can go to the zoo with father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Now I am ready to sleep. Good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. So, students, here I have read this chapter. Now I am going to explain. In this chapter, students, a girl is thinking about her next day. Next day means about tomorrow, that what fun she is going to have tomorrow. Okay, now when this is the bedtime, okay, she is lying on her bed and she is deciding for the tomorrow's fun. And what are the funs? Let us know. I can dance around my room. I can sing my favorite song. See, she is deciding to dance in her room. Around my room. Around means everywhere. And she will sing her favorite song also. Favorite means the best liked song. I can go to the playground with my friends. She will also go to the playground with her friends. And what she will do there? She will go up and down the slide. Zip, zoom. And she will enjoy in the park with her friends. And this is not enough. Something more she is deciding. I can help mother in the kitchen. She will also help her mother in the kitchen. And how she will help? She will learn how to bake a cake. And she will also have a tea party with her teddy bear. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them pop. She will blow the bubbles also in the air and burst them pop. Burst means, dear students, blast or apart suddenly. I can go to the zoo with father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Students, you must know that zoo is a place where we can see or we can meet with different kinds of animals. So, when she will go to the zoo, she will meet with naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. And she will go with her father to the zoo. Now I am ready to sleep. Good night. So all the above points she is deciding to have tomorrow. And then she is ready to sleep. And when she is ready to sleep, she says, good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Wonderful means lovely. So when she will do all these funs, tomorrow will be going to be a wonderful day for her. So dear students, here we have completed our chapter 6. Now in the next video we will meet with the exercises of chapter 6. Till then,